I have an exciting video for you today. I know you may be struggling to get money out of your PayPal balance to your local bank account, because if you're not in a country like the United States, UK, England, right, or one of those Euro countries, you are not able to link your bank account to PayPal, and therefore you can't withdraw money from PayPal directly to your bank account. But I have the solution for you, and this solution works like a charm. PayPal has a money transfer services called Xoom. So what we're going to be doing in this video is use Xoom to transfer money from your PayPal balance to your local bank account. It doesn't matter which country you're from. Once a country is supported by Xoom, which it's a lot of them, you can withdraw from your PayPal balance to your local bank account. Isn't this amazing, guys? Now guys, I'm committed to solving your problems online. So if you have any question or any challenge that you're having online, just comment that below and I'll do a video on it. So with that said, let's head over to my laptop to get started. So you have just about $32 in my PayPal balance. So now I'm going to head over to Xoom.com. Now once you're on Xoom.com, select sign up. On the sign up page, select login with PayPal. So here I'm just going to select continue with PayPal. So because I just logged into my PayPal account, it will automatically log me in Xoom without me specifying my email address and password. Now once you're in Xoom, select the country that you want to transfer the money to. So I'm going to select Jamaica. Specify the amount that you want to send. Ensure this amount is less than what is in your PayPal balance, inclusive of fees. So the cost to send this money will be about $4.99, right? So I'm going to need at least $21 in PayPal. So here you're going to select next. Here you're going to choose the receiving option. You can do bank deposit, cash pickup. If you select cash pickup, you will see the list of pickup locations where you can go and pick up the money. Now depending on which country you're sending to, you have the option to send to a debit card, right? Now this is only for the Visa debit card. MasterCards are not supported as yet. So here I'm going to select bank deposit, then select next. So from the list, you're going to search for your banking information. I'm going to select National Commercial Bank. I recommend that you use the find a branch name option here. So you select your country again. The reason why I'm only seeing Jamaica here is because I selected Jamaica as a country which I'm sending the money to. So I'm just going to say Clarendon, and I'm going to say Chapelton. Now once you specify your branch information, then you select next. Now on this page, you're going to specify your account number, right? And then you select your account type. So I'm just going to go with savings. So make sure the bank account information is correct, and this person is a person who you know and trust, right? You may not be able to recover money sent to an account by mistake, right? So here I'm going to select next. Here you're going to fill out your information or the contact's information. Now this is just a made up address. Now once you fill out this information, then you select next. Now here's where you have the option to pay from your PayPal balance. If you don't want to pay from your PayPal balance, then you select add payment method. And these are the three options: bank account, debit card, or a credit card. Here I'm going to step back. Now if you're trying to send money and the money within your PayPal balance is less than what you are trying to send, you will not see the PayPal balance option here. You will only see the three previous methods. So here I'm going to select next, and then I'll be taken to a summary of the transaction. So here it's showing the amount I'm sending, how much I'll receive, and the fees to send the money, right? So like I've mentioned, I would need just about $21 in PayPal to cover this transaction. Now please keep in mind that you can cancel for a full refund within 30 minutes of the payment unless the deposit has hit your account. Now transfers may be delayed if there is incorrect information specified, so make sure. So I'm not going to actually send this money now. I'm just giving you a step-by-step overview of how you can accomplish this. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.